Question 10a, part 3 from the 2014 National 5 Physics paper says, draw a diagram showing the horizontal forces, it's an important point, acting on the boat between 25 and 450 seconds. You must name these forces and show their directions. So if we look at the diagram again of the graph, it shows that between 25 and 450 seconds there is constant speed. And if there's constant speed, what that means is that there is no unbalanced force on the boat, and so the boat must have two forces acting in equal and opposite directions. So I'm going to draw the boat here, not like that, preferably something slightly more like a boat. That'll do. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to draw the two forces acting on the boat then. So there's a forward force, like that. I can just call it forward force. And there's a force acting to oppose the motion, and that force is friction. Now we can use, according to the marking scheme, some other possible names for these forces. We could use, say, thrust, or we could use the push, or the pushing force, and acting to oppose the motion, we could say water resistance, or indeed drag. You wouldn't get any marks if you said air friction or air resistance, because the key opposing force relates to the water in this instance. So to reiterate, the two forces must be in opposite directions. The arrows should be approximately the same size, and one should be called forward force or any of the other options, and the one in reverse should be friction or something relating to water resistance.